Okay, as you can see, it's March 2nd, 5:14 p.m. in the evening. So we're going to do the 2010 3-box Crown Royale and 2011 2-box Playoff Contenders box break. Hold the camera there. I'll show you the serial numbers quick. The Crown Royale ends in 248, 285, 472. Contenders end in 485 and 387. So since there's so many packs and cards to look through, as I go through them, I'm just gonna mainly focus on the inserts, the autographs, numbered cards, so forth. The base cards I'll probably just blow right past them because it's gonna take a while to do it. But don't worry, you'll be getting all the base cards of the teams that you bought. All right, so here's the first box, Crown Royale. Base autograph, Marcus Easley from the Bills, rookie, number 275 of 499. Base insert, Barry Sanders, Lions. Insert, Ray Lewis, Ravens. And the base card. It's the first pack. Okay, second pack. Base redemption card. Check that in a minute. Raiders base insert, Jimmy Clausen, Panthers. Fitzgerald insert, base. Redemption card is number 204. And 204 is Emmanuel Sanders, Steelers, rookie. That's an autograph. Okay. Third pack. Probably a jersey card in this one. Wes Welker, Patriots, jersey card, Kings of the NFL. Serial numbered 62 of 299. Got a base, Cardinals. Bears insert, Johnny Morris. Another Bears insert, Matt Forte. And then a Chiefs base. I'd like to thank everyone for paying so quickly. And I appreciate the quickness of the payments. Alright, Eric Decker, jersey card, Broncos, numbered 56 of 299. Jimmy Graham, gold card. Gold cards are nice. Chris Cook, Vikings, number 25 of 25. He's a rookie too. And then insert Johnny Knox, the Zone Bears. Alright, not bad for the first box. Let's go to the second box. And for the money I got from this auction, I'm going to do, I think, a case break of 2010 Crown Royale, 12 boxes. So keep an eye open for that next week. I'll probably get the case in next week and put it up on eBay. Alright. Vernon Davis, redemption card, 215. Filler, Marinari, blue insert parallel, Darrell Washington from the Cardinals, numbered 95 of 100. And a Marcus Colston insert. And then a base card on the bottom. The redemption card is 215. See it? Okay. 215. And it's a rookie, Ben Tate from the Texans. And that is an autograph, I do believe. Okay, Brady base. Brady insert, jersey card. Numbered 97 of 299. Rusty Smith, insert Frank Gifford from the Giants. Another insert Eli Manning from the Giants. And a base card. Okay, Pierre Thomas. I have never could say his first name. Sue from the Lions, jersey card. Number 48 of 299. And Earl Thomas, insert of a Ben Tate from the Texans. Josh Cribbs insert from the Browns. And the base. Damakan. Let's see. Okay. Last pack. Fitzgerald. Jason World, Steelers autograph. Gold. Numbered 6 of 25. Filler, Rams. Insert Len Dawson's from the Chiefs. Insert Felix Jones from the Cowboys, not numbered, and Felix Jones on the bottom. So that's the second box. Third box. And the redemptions are still good. I think they're good to the 27th of April. So if you get a redemption, I'll get it to you in time to redeem it. Alright, Gates. Rob Gronkowski, autograph, Patriots rookie. Numbered 487 of 499. Not a bad card. Got a filler. Base, rookie. Giants insert, Del Schaffner. And Darren Sproles insert, Matt Stafford base. Okay, Jaguars base. Sonny Jurgensen, insert, jersey card, Redskins. Numbered 83 of 299. Tony Pike. Taylor Price, Patriots insert. Greg Olson, Bears insert. And base on the bottom. 2 packs left of the Crown Royale. Let's see, Brett Favre. 9 out of 50 Golden Tate jersey card. 2 color. Seahawks. Cool looking card. Base Packers. Insert of Mike Curtis from the Colts. Rams insert Steven Jackson. Sidney Rice base. And the last pack for the Crown Royale. Drew Brees. Ooh, nice card. Too bad it's that guy. Lanye Miller from the Cowboys. Green Emerald autograph, rookie. Numbered 4 out of 10. Too bad it wasn't the other guy. Des Bryant. Alright, Zach Robinson. Vikings, Paul Krause. Frank Gore, insert 49ers, and Rams base. That concludes the Crown Royale. And now we'll do the Contenders, 2 boxes. These have more packs in, so I'll try to go quicker, so it doesn't take that long to watch it. Okay, so these are really just focus on the inserts and the autographs, because there's a lot of cards in these boxes. Base. All base. Base. Insert Titans, Eddie George, Super Bowl. Base. Got to insert Legendary Contenders, Redskins, Darryl Green, all base. It's supposed to be at least 4 autographs in this box. Base. Rookie roll call, Jamie Harper, Titans, not numbered, autographed or anything. Rest are base. Base. This is weird. Usually there's an autograph by now. Super Bowl card, Donovan McNabb, Eagles. Sheesh. Barry Sanders, insert. Legendary Contenders. Rest of base. Come on, what the heck? Rookie roll call, Shane Veneer, Patriots. All base. Well, maybe they'll give you one good autograph or something. I don't know. Base. Autograph. Adrian Claiborne, Buccaneers. Base. So there's one auto. Draft class, insert Dolphins. not numbered. The rest for base. Autograph Darren Evans on a sticker from the Colts. There's 2 autos. Rookie of the Year contender, Schanzenbacher from the Bears. Base on the bottom. Wow. Jake Locker, rookie roll call, insert, base. Redemption. Let's see. Oh no, where did I put that? There it is. Redemption number 220. And 220 is Von Miller from the Denver Broncos. That's an autograph. So, technically it's 3 autographs, even though one looks like a regular card. But, it is an auto. Giants draft class insert, not numbered. Colin Kochhart from the Bengals, autograph, and base. Buccaneers insert rookie, Aaron Foster. Base. Draft class Vikings insert base. Does not want to come apart sometimes. Autograph Cardinals Ryan Williams on card, and I think that Von Miller was on card too, the one that you redeem. We're supposed to get 2 on cards per box, so I believe that Von Miller is the other on card. Torrey Smith insert Ravens. Saints insert draft class numbered 6 out of 50. Mark Ingram and Cameron Jordan. Alright, 2 packs. Hines Ward, insert Super Bowl. Steelers. Base. Henry Eller, insert Rams. Alright, that's it for that box. 1 more box to go. Come on. Just one good, really good card in these boxes. Really sweet. No more of that. Alright. John Randall, Vikings insert. Rookie roll call, Aldon Smith, 49ers insert. Not numbered. Autograph, Evan Royster, Redskins, on a sticker. Nice. J.J. Watt, Contenders, insert, Texans, base. Okay. Championship ticket, or playoff ticket or something. Pierre Thomas, numbered 88 of 99 from the Saints, roster base. Aaron Rodgers Super Bowl insert, base. Henry Ellert again, insert, not numbered, Rams. Titus Young, rookie roll call, Lions, insert. So hungry. Alright. All base. You're sleepy? Oh, almost done. John Riggins, insert, Redskins, Super Bowl, base. Contenders, insert, Zonka, Dolphins, not numbered. Cardinals, insert, Ryan Williams, rookie roll call, not numbered. All base. It's crazy. Alright, redemption. Base. Redemption number 201. You see it? 201 is on card Marcel Darius. I think he plays for the Bills. I'll double check. Chiefs insert, not numbered, draft class.
I zoomed by accident.
Back it off wide.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Just don't stop it. Okay, we got rookie autograph Torrey Smith on card. Ravens. I don't know if there's a variation of that one or not, but I noticed a lot of other on card ones had variations now. You'll tell when you get it, I guess. Contenders Julio Jones insert, Falcons, not numbered. Quentin Carter, Broncos, autograph on a sticker. Packers insert, draft class. Josh Portis on card, on a sticker autograph from the Seahawks. Hulu insert, Redskins, no number. Henry Ellert, there's 3 of them in 2 boxes. This one's numbered 43 out of 50 though from the Rams. Got 2 packs left. After I do the last pack though, I want to go through and pull out the autographs real quick, so keep the camera going. It only take a second. Sorry. Pierre Thomas insert Saints Super Bowl card. Last pack. Draft class Titans Locker and Harper, not numbered. So let me just rip through these quick. Find the autos. Okay. Redemption one. I should have been doing this as I went along. I don't know what I was thinking. Well, if you guys don't want to watch the rest of it, you can click off now, but I'm going to try to find all these autographs here and show them all at the end of the video. So, but that was the break, and if you want to stick around to see all the autographs again, feel free. And if you don't, then you can turn it off. Not you. You keep recording. I know there was another autograph in here, wasn't there? There it is. Okay, so we got 2 redemption autographs. Number 201, 220 from the Contenders. It was Von Miller and Marcel Darius. I'm pretty sure he's on the Bills. Then the other autographs from the Contenders is Way Review. Adrian Claiborne from the Bucks. Colin Cochart from the Bengals. Ryan Williams on card from the Cardinals. Evan Royster, Redskins on a sticker. Torrey Smith on card, Ravens. Quentin Carter, Broncos sticker. Josh Portis, Seahawks sticker. So there's those, and then in here, Lanye Miller from the Cowboys, numbered 4/10, I think it was. Where's the other auto? Gronkowski, that's probably the best card. Jason Worlds. There was the Brady jersey, that was a good card. Redemption 215, I think it was Emmanuel Sanders. A gold one, Chris Cook from the Vikings. Jimmy Graham rookie. Wes Welker jersey. Patriots got 2 jersey cards and a Gronkowski. That's a pretty good Patriots one. 2 of 4. I'm going to double check on that. I forgot who that was. And Marcus Easley from the Bills. So one last check on that 2 of 4 from the Crown Royale. That was Emmanuel Sanders. Okay, so 215 was the other guy. Ben Tate from the Texans. Alright, so thanks everyone for bidding, and keep an eye open for next week. I'll probably do a whole case of the Crown Royale. I like those better than Contenders, I think. Alright, thanks a lot. Hit stop.